Alright, so here is problem 29 on homework 1.6. The problem is asking us to use a graphing utility to graph the function they're giving us. And then we want to... So here is problem 29 on homework 1.6, telling us to use a graphing utility to graph the function that they give us and to choose the appropriate viewing window. Well, most of us don't have a graphing calculator. And so really what I'm asking you to do here is go on to Desmos and type this function in and see what it looks like, and then make a rough sketch of it in your notebook so that I can see you inputted it and got the correct graph and you got it to look like it should look like. And so, like I said, this is more Desmos practice and sketching than anything. And so I'm going to open up Desmos just to plug it in, and my function is x minus 1 cubed. So on Desmos, that is x minus 1. Got to bring out my keyboard. Cubed. And I believe it is plus 2 at the end there. Okay, so x minus 1 cubed plus 2. And that is what my graph, my function looks like. On a graphing calculator, they say find an appropriate window, because a lot of graphing calculators would start like maybe right here. But with Desmos, it's nice because we can just zoom in and out and find the graph really easily, and I can make a rough sketch of that. So it looks like I have some kind of critical point there. So 1, 2, and then it's increasing to that point, and we kind of have a leveling out, and then it keeps increasing. So when I sketch it on my paper, I just want to try my best to make that happen. So at 1, 2, right? Yeah, 1, 2. I have my point, and I have something that kind of looks like this. And roughly sketching it, if I come up and around, this is what my function looked like. Okay, probably could be a better sketch, but again, this is on a computer. Yours is going to be in your notebook without graph paper, more than likely. And so just try your best with that. And that problem 27 here, just graphing it and doing a rough sketch, is the same as 19, 21, 23, and so on all the way to 42. So I hope the video helps, and I hope you get a chance to work with that Desmos and that makes sense.